Hey, how's it going? Can we all agree on something? Renovations suck. I think we can all agree on that, right? Renovations, they take time. Renovations, they take time away from fishing. And I've had enough. I've dropped everything, said to hell with it. I'm going to do some fishing because I need a break. Bass openers come and gone, and it's been almost a week now, so I'm like itching to get out because I'm going crazy. So, enough of that. We're going to hit Morrison Lake, which is also named Morrison Dam Conservation Area. It's just outside of Exeter, Ontario. I know there's some decent fish here. I got into some last year. I ended up losing. But I know that the big ones are here, so I'm going to give it a try because it's only 10 minutes down the road for me, so this is going to work out quite well. So enough of this talk. Time to get out there and see if we can't get ourselves a couple. Never fished with a frog before, but I'm gonna give it a try today and see how it goes. So this is the first time I've done this, but there's a guy in there. There's a guy in there. Should have learned. Damn. Got it under. Right. I will take this one. First one. There you go, people. Largie on a frog. My first one. I'm so proud of myself. Here you go, buddy. Thanks for the fun. That was awesome. That was so cool. Oh. And a fish. Yeah. Baby. Choked that one. He choked both hooks down there. There we go. They're not monsters. But I'll take that. That's two. See you later, baby. You didn't like me throwing the frog at him. he's a little bit better. Yeah, not bad. Let him definitely choke down. Not bad. Alright everyone, there we go. First time frog fishing. That's three. Look at that. Not bad. Oh yeah, he didn't like that too much. He didn't even splash at the end. Well, it was worth dropping all my renovations for this. I'm having a blast. First time frogging. So there you go. 3 bass and a bunch of blow-ups. So it's been a pretty good day considering I never frog fished before. So time to go to work for me, unfortunately, and not renovations, like work. So so yeah, this is definitely worth checking out again and giving her another try. But I'd like to get here a little earlier next time. So you have yourself a wonderful day. Cheers.